business owners want more sales, but nobody wants more work. The real problem in business is not getting the customers. The real problem is handling the customers repeatedly. They have to do same things every day, like replying to leads, sending emails, updating spreadsheets, assigning tasks, and following up. And this is why exactly some businesses stay small and others scale fast. The difference is not the team size, the difference is automation. So hello all, welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how businesses can scale faster using automation, because modern growth comes from systems, not from extra efforts. So what is going to happen is, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from this Facebook page, instantly the lead details will be added in my Google Sheets. Not only this, the details will be added in my CRM, and also an automated mail, something like this, will be sent towards my lead. And you know what? Nobody is doing all of this manually. Nobody is copying the data. Nobody is forgetting follow-ups. This runs automatically 24/7. This is automation where software is doing the work a human normally repeats. Whenever a new lead is received, you send them a welcome email manually. You add the details manually. This is now solved. You just have to create this automation once, and then you have to just sit back and relax. So many people think automations means robots or codings, but businesses automation simply means when something happens, the other tasks happen automatically. Example, when a customer registers, automatically the mail is sent. When a payment is received, automatically the product is delivered, like a ebook. Lead is generated, you can notify your team, send them the email, add the details. Instead of people doing the same work again and again, the system handles it instantly. Now just think about most businesses. Leads come from multiple places: websites, ads, WhatsApps, Facebook, landing page, marketplaces. What happens next? Someone downloads the data, someone updates the CRM, someone sends the mail, someone assigns the task. This is a waste of time, and more importantly, delay the response. And you know what? Delayed responses means lost customers. And you know, that's where automation enters, and why automation helps businesses to scale. Automation just not saves the time, it changes the speed of the business. A manual business grows very slowly, but an automated business grows very fast, because work does not increase with customers. Whether you get 10 leads or 10 lakh leads, the system handles them the same way. So now the questions become, how do we actually create these automations? Normally, this requires developers or expensive custom software. But today, I'll show you how you can connect apps without coding using automation platform, which is Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is a one such platform using which you can connect apps together, create workflows like I have just shown you. So let me quickly show you how that automation was built. So I simply created the connection between Facebook lead ads, Google Sheets, Zoho CRM, and Gmail using Pabbly Connect. The first step was to choose a trigger, which was Facebook, whenever a lead form is submitted. We saved the details in Google Sheets, added the lead details into Zoho CRM, and send them in mail automatically. Now every new lead will be handled automatically, and yes, forever. We can also enhance this using AI. So instead of sending a fixed mail, you can also use AI to generate personalized replies using AI. So every customer get a human-like response instantly, but personalized according to them. Not only this, using AI you can also create multiple more automations. So let's say I'm going to show you an example. I want to generate the product descriptions, so I have only entered these 5 details over here, and within seconds and in real time the generated description will be added over here. You just have to wait for a few seconds, and yes, you can see the generated description is added. So generating descriptions, generating images, posting content on social media, nurturing leads, many more things can be done using an AI. Because you know what, businesses today are not competing on prices, they are competing competing on speed. The faster responder wins the customer, and the manual work cannot beat automated workflows, because within seconds the mail is sent. While if I am going to sit and send the mail manually, it is going to take me a time, right? So that's the reason the faster responder wins the customer. So if your business still depends on manual operations, you are not working slower, you are growing slower. So start with small automations today, then gradually you can expand. If you want to build workflows like this, you can try Pabbly Connect and start your automating process today. Your team can focus on what actually grows the business. And if you also want to learn how you can try Pabbly Connect today, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So you can click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can try Pabbly Connect for today. And yes, I'll just explain you what this in detail means. 100 of tasks free means that you can nurture your Facebook lead 100 times for free. You can also generate the AI product descriptions 100 of times for free. You can post on your social media platform 100 times for free and try Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it and if you find it helpful for you and your business, you can go towards this view offer button and view the subscription plans of Pabbly Connect. And over here we have a special discount coupon code because you have watched this tutorial till the end. And yes, this discount coupon code can get you a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. I'll show you how exactly you can use this. You have to go towards this buy now button, enter your details right over here and fill in this form. Alright, you have to enter the credit card details too, and after you have done all this, it is saying you have a coupon. So yes, you have a coupon because you watched this video till here. You have to apply the coupon, which is RITYT, and click on this button which says apply over here. Now you can see the coupon is applied successfully and we have got a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you find it helpful for you and your business, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So the workflow I showed you today was just as an example. In real businesses, there are many repetitive tasks happening every day: leads, payments, emails, follow-ups, notifications, and we have created detailed step-by-step tutorials for all of these on this channel. Right now on your screen, you can see our channel and the automation tutorials which we have already created. You can start from basic and then move to advanced workflows one by one. Each tutorial is a step-by-step tutorial. We'll show you how to start from scratch. So after watching this video, you can go there and pick any automation that matches your business use case and build it along with us. Not only this, we also have some specific playlists. If you want this, you can also check this out. Like if you want the social media masterclass, over here is the full playlist for the same. For real estate owners, we have this playlist for you, and so on. You can also check out these playlists. So go start small, automate consistently, and your business will scale automatically. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.